Yeah, what's up? Status again. This is my X22 Super Pocket with a LIFAN full gear on it. I told you guys. It looks pretty sick, don't it? You know, everything good running. You know, yep, good. No speedometer, gas. Yep, one muffler, gold chain like I told you. Everything is hooked up. About to get some gas and start her up. Go outside. The air filter, I had to really tuck it up in there to get it, but it's good. Clutch, everything is good. Modified fucking clutch in rear brake, clutch. Wow, modified. And you see it works over there. Ouch, we're in business. This is my fucking front brake right here. This is supposed to be a starter switch, but actually now it's a kill switch. Dirt bike motor, you know. Fuel filter. Now everything is brand new, never been started, but to start it for the first time. No modified muffler, one pipe. Had to mod it. Yeah, so it could fit, cause the shit didn't really fit under the LIFAN, and I didn't want to break it. You had to bend it. So now it's one muffler. Hold the other one closed. Yep, take it outside, give it a run. Well, I gotta let the ring seat real quick. So
yeah, man, got the modified gas tank, modified seat.
yeah, that's alright.
Everything modified, man. What you got? Excellent. What's this? X22 pocket bike. Super pocket bike. Bang. Yeah, we out here trying to still get this LIFAN together.
Not with that. Not like it.
With no fucking gas.
Fucking gas. Shit ain't operating. We gonna get it done.
We're gonna get it.
You gotta rewire that.
Once we get it, yeah.
You gotta go look and see how you had to wire it.
We already know the dirt bike coming through. We got bikes over here, bike life. This fat nigga can't ride though.
Yo, we better park that shit for a second, cuz. Take the spark plug out there.
Watch this stuff. They're here.
What y'all about to do?
Take the
spark plug out that bike for the
Oh, this one?
Yeah, the wire.
Are yours?
Yeah.
finally got the LIFAN running. sound too bad. Little modifications. We're gonna get the part soon, but you know, just had to get it running.